Okay, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Let me introduce myself. My name is Vini Sermantolaya. Today I would
Okay,
like to
please go.
present a virtual conference with the title of my research, Comparative Analysis of Linear Discriminant Analysis, Algorithm, and Spot Vector Machine on Classification of Plane Fluid Dissociation. On off-branch research background begin. On off-branch of all is computer vision. In computer vision, it can be used for perform object detection and also image classification. We use something algorithm. Reprocessing image is branch knowledge in artificial intelligence that use object image in digital form. Home solution the cache method in image can use good calculation mathematics on object in a way pixel or geometric. One of the high dimensional feature method is known to be very good and provide accurate result. Is a spot vector machine. The low dimensional feature method is sufficient powerful. Is linear discriminant analysis. Interesting for observer how comparison between SVM as high dimensional feature and LDA as low dimensional feature in its internal application. Introduction dissociation on fluid plum especially with verification amount of data and percentage of training data and testing data. Plan conclude plan is very a text organization with plans. Style the way used for recognition, tip dissociation of fruit plant account, fruit palm oil use framework in a way general still confusional a with observers. In a way directs experiences by the fruit. The from that research incident study is interest for the comparison to performance LDA and CVM algorithm for classification dissociation in plant fluid. Plum specially result with variation in dataset size and also the percentage of training data and testing data. Formulation problem in study this is a how performance comparison between LDA and SVM algorithm for classification dissociation and fluid palm specially result with variation in dataset size and also the percentage of training data and testing data. Objective study. Objective from research communication is and the performance of the LDA and SVM algorithm for classification dissociation on fruit palm oil in some variation in dataset size and also the percentage of training data and testing data. Benefit study. One, can understand the process of analysis and comparison from linear discriminant analysis algorithm and spot vector machine in classification image dissociation on fruit palm. Two, can know which method is more optimal to use in classification Distiaceae fruit palm oil. Literature review, building a medium-scale dataset for non-restrictive Distiaceae classification in mango fruit using machine learning and deep learning models. The problem in the research is that the quality of fruit is often assessed based on sensory attributes such as taste and aroma, shape, size, color. Research the analysis use sport vector machine (SVM) and convolutional neural network (CNN) algorithm. Result of research communication SVM accuracy in classification Distiaceae fruit. Research contribution. As from contribution in study, this is compressed performance between LDA and SVM algorithms for classification Distiaceae on fruit relate with verification in dataset size and also the percentage of training data and testing data. Methodology study, the following is the flow of the analytical research methodology stack and comparison technique of the linear discriminant analysis classification algorithm with spot vector machine on hill and Distiaceae palm fruit. Figure 3.1 stack methodology study. Data set collection. In study, this is prepared of the data set, then in the data set into two, namely training data and testing data with percentage of 50 of training data, 50, 40. Result. Research use language programming MATLAB R21A for making classification of Distiaceae fruit palm on accuracy test sequence algorithm. RGB image input result to grayscale system image. Image input result convert the initial image in RGB color format red, green, blue to the B image in grayscale format. Pre-processing. Following grayscale image that has been revised quality to intensity adjustment. Adjustment image. Image is shown in figure dataset preprocessing stack. Stack result segmentation. Segmentation spread object or feature in the image object share category image become object and background behind before conversion from image thresholding to binary image. A binary image is generated from the thresholding process for similarity the segmentation process. Result of linear discriminant analysis model and spot vector machine. Linear discriminant analysis LDA in the classification process fruit palm using linear discriminant analysis as follow. This visualization resource modeling fits discriminant training data and test data in the image following this. Spot Vector Machine (SVM). Visualization Result SVM Modeling with FIT-GSFM, kernel linear training data, and Spot Vector Machine test data in the image following this. Visualization Result Training Object Fluid Pump 6 described on the sink plot. Child, cold blue, and fluid healthy described with sink plots, checkered color red, following this process distribution of support vector machine, kernel linear test data. Kelas LDA NSVM testing dan data dan output. Training data in table, accuracy result. Discussion, comparison of accuracy. Comparison mark calculation accuracy. Accuracy obtained from method accuracy of linear distribution analysis and spot vector machine is approached with a number of type of image dataset fluid, improved palm oil in the LDA and SVM models that the dataset accuracy testing calculation with share amount prediction true with total number of files L multiplied by table 2 comparison accuracy of training data and testing data classification result. Conclusion and recommendation. Conclusion, based on result testing carried out, implementation linear distribution analysis algorithm and spot vector machine in classification, image fluid pump here or fluid 6 has success done. The result obtained from this system that produce level accuracy high has from more SVM algorithm. Testing data good from LDA on verification prestasi first level accuracy amount to 70 and second amounting 62. Then on the prestation but LDA research accuracy 60, which is close level term from SVM based on result of precision result and F1 score parameter. Where SVM tends more good. Suggestion 1. Increase the amount of training and testing data as well resolution from optimal image. The more big size picture can keep information more. However, need pay attach the size that picture too big down the training process. 2. Study For here more can use good length so that get classification more it make good for increased accuracy. Thank you. By finish Hermantulaya.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Finish. Any question to Mr. Finish? Okay, if there is no question, we would like to
Okay, thank you,
next
Mr. Finish. Any
presenter,
question to Mr.
number
Finish?
31. Yeah,
Okay,
number
if
31
there is no
is
question, we would like to next presenter,
Rosa Saurina Hector,
number 31.
title
Yeah,
Improve Vector
number
Algorithm.
31.